This video shows you how to empty your bladder safely, easily and completely with the Curan Lady. The Curan Lady is a compact, handy catheter that has been developed especially for women. This can be seen in the elegant and discreet design. The Curan Lady can be used straight from the package and is easy to insert thanks to its ergonomic shape. The Curan Lady has a smooth hydrogel coating that makes it easy and safe to insert and remove the catheter. Smooth, polished eyelets can help make insertion more comfortable. The Curan Lady has a soft, flexible connector with universal colour coding. It can be easily and inconspicuously carried in a small handbag or jacket pocket. The Curan Lady is an intermittent catheter. It is designed so that the self-insertion procedure can take just a few minutes. The catheter comes in a sterile package and is only suitable for single use for hygienic reasons. After the first few times you do the procedure, the urethra may be sensitive. The body has to get used to catheterization. This takes time and is completely normal. You can empty your bladder on the toilet, in a wheelchair or standing up. Make sure you have all the materials you need for catheterization with you. The Curan Lady, clean wipes, and possibly a small mirror to assist with insertion. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to avoid infections. Assume a comfortable position, take your time, and try to relax as much as possible. Simply open the Curan Lady catheter by unscrewing the cap. Take the catheter by the connector and pull it out of the package partway. Put the catheter back in its packaging on a clean surface and make sure it is within reach. Spread the labia with the index and middle finger of one hand to find the entrance to the urethra. Clean the labia with a cloth by wiping from front to back. Hold the labia apart and grasp the catheter between your thumb and index finger. Squeeze the soft connector so that it is closed. Insert the catheter gently into the urethra. After 3 to 5 centimetres, the catheter reaches the bladder, and the urine starts to flow. When the urine flow stops, remove the catheter slowly, and if urine starts to flow again, stop removal and allow further urine to drain. It is important that the bladder is completely empty to prevent infections. Put the catheter back into the Curan Lady package. Replace the cap on the packaging, and then the catheter can be disposed of in the household waste bin. If there is no rubbish bin nearby, you can keep the catheter in a handbag or jacket pocket. You have now emptied your bladder safely, easily and completely with the Curan Lady. The Curan Lady is available in packs of 30. The compact size makes it easy to take this box with you. Handy when you go on holiday, for instance. A bladder problem doesn't have to get in the way of an active and social life. Curan develops catheters to suit your lifestyle. Curan meets your needs.